Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'll be doing a contact lens haul review, but also like a side review for you guys, and it will be on a contact lens website called MYEOTD, or like their website I think is MYEOTD.com. Now with this one, they stock a lot of Korean contact lenses, but also like clear contact lenses as well. So with the color contact lenses, they have brands like Hapa Christine. If you guys have watched my video, you will know who they are. They also have Lens Towns, Idol Lens, and MTPR contact lens, which I've tried before with the BTS collaboration. So if you guys haven't checked that out, check that out as well. So I was really interested in trying Lens Town because my friend Judy has tried a few of them and it looks really nice on her. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna give Lens Town a try. And turns out I have tried Lens Town a while back when it was a collaboration with Pony Effect, and I didn't realize it. And so yeah, but it's nice to actually try Lens Town again and see what it's like. On the website, it's very easy to browse. You know, they have, like I said, color contact lenses and also clear contact lenses like Bosch and Lom and RQV. They also stock a lot of daily contact lenses or monthly or yearly. And the best part about that website is that there's no limit, there's no maximum, there's no amount you have to spend to get free express shipping. And I think depending on which country you're from, they would use either DHL, FedEx, or I think USPS. For New Zealand, they use I think DHL. So yeah, it was definitely really quick and guaranteed that it would take about 3 days shipping to arrive to you. But obviously with the COVID, just give it a little bit more time just in case it gets stuck somewhere. But yeah, all of these contact lenses come up from Korea, so I was really impressed with the shipping. And also if you spend over 3 contact lens, you also get like a free set of contact lens cases as well, which I have here. So like clear contact lenses and a tweezer as well. But look how cute this box is, and I just love the packaging of this, and I love how they are so diverse as well. The website also have like bundle deals that you can try out, and I saw that on the website it's currently having a lot of discount or sales, which is awesome. I also noticed that when you first go onto the website, it also suggests you to sign up to get $5 off. But if you don't want to do that, you can also use my 10% code, which I'll put here for you guys to check out. But feel free not to use it. I'm not affiliated with them, but just thought I'll give it to you guys to, you know, if you guys want to save more from this website. So I got 5 different contact lenses, 3 daily and 2 monthly. They are all from Lens Town because I do want to try them out, and I've given them all a try. So now I'm just gonna tell you guys my review. First one would be this one called Lens Town Retears, and this is in the shade brown, and this one is a monthly contact lens. So this one costs I think $24 but I'll put the price here for you guys to see. And this one, I feel like this was like a green and gray and brown contact lens. So it has like a really beautiful green and brown outline, so it's like double outline, but you see a lot of the green but also a little bit the hazel brown. And then when you go in, you see a little bit of that spikiness, but you see that brown spikiness inside. So this is definitely much more natural. The diameter for this one is 14.2, but the graphic diameter is 13.4 millimeter, which is leaning towards much more like the average normal size, but not too enlarging as well. Second one is very interesting, and this one is called Uniture, or like, I don't know, unicorn but natural, I don't know, Uniture. And this one is in the shade brown. However, this is probably like my least favorite contact lens, because I think if you guys see the close-up, you would know why. It just looks very unrealistic, unnatural for me, and it's actually definitely much more bigger on me for my eyes. So this one I would say is one of the largest diameter from all the 5 that I've tried. The graphic diameter for this is actually 13.9, so it's definitely bigger, and the overall diameter is 14.3. Now with this color, I call this like an alligator eye look, but it's much more like a rounder type pattern. Like I just feel like there's so many colors in there. The colors are beautiful, but it just didn't blend well, and they all look so abstract, and they all look so bold as well on my eyes, as you guys can see. Onto the daily one, and these are from like, I think they are like the Lighly collection, but under the Lighly collection it falls into like different categories as well. So this one is the Lighly modern contact lens, and this one is in grey, and the one day one costs about $29 which I think is actually pretty affordable if you think about comparison with the monthly. I usually prefer a daily one, so $29 for one box is actually pretty good price. For this light mellow grey, the diameter for this is 13.3 millimeter. I mean the graphic diameter, so it's definitely much more natural and much more smaller. I love this pattern because you can see there's like two-tone grey to it. You see that really nice dark grey outline, and then infused inside it you see that blur effect of like a grey that blend really well like into your iris, which I feel like it's actually really nice. I just love the turnout of it, and it's actually very natural. It's definitely not like an obvious grey. Like if you want it to be obvious, no one can tell that you're wearing grey contact lenses. It's more so like it's like a dark grey, but I guess partially it's because my eye is definitely darker, so that's why it looks much more dark on me. But if you have lighter eye color, maybe the grey will just pop out a bit more, but I just love the finish of this one on my eyes. This one is Lighly Classic, which I believe is like a natural contact lens, and it's like a one color tone contact lens if I'm not wrong. And this one is definitely leaning towards much more a little bit larger side compared to the Lighly Mellow collection. This one, the graphic diameter is 13.6, the Mellow one was 13.3, and you can sort of see the differences. For me, I don't really go towards like brown contact lens because when I wear contact lens, I like it to be much more obvious, not as natural but a little bit natural, you know. I just like to play around with my colors, but I decided to give this one a try. This one is a brown, so this is like a natural dark cocoa chocolate brown shade, and this one you can definitely see there's no outline, but you just see that spikiness is blending into your iris. For me, it just gives me like a very big puppy eye look, so if that's something you go for, definitely go for this one. But I think this one was okay, but I actually prefer the Lighly Mellow. So I can imagine I keep saying mellow, Lighly modern, but I can imagine I probably like the Lighly modern brown more than the Lighly classy brown. Last but not least is the one I'm currently wearing on my eyes, and this one is called the Lighly Mellow pink color, and this one, the diameter for this is 13.3 millimeter, which is the same as the Lighly modern collection. And I love this particular shade because this particular color, when you look at the contact lens, it really reminds me of the MTPR BTS collection, the pink shade, which I'll show you guys side by side as well. But I love that it has so many different colors to it, like pastel colors, but yet it doesn't look obvious on the eyes. Putting it on my eyes, it just looked like a milky light peachy brown shade on my eyes. Like it looks really nice. It definitely looks like my eyes look really milky. I don't know, I can't describe it, but I definitely love it. But compared to the MTPR one is definitely much more brighter and obvious and pinky on the eye. So if you like that color but you want it toned down a little bit, I would definitely recommend this Lighly Mellow Rora pink shade. And this one, it has like a beautiful brown outline, and then going in you see a combo of pink, you see a combo of like orange to it. But when you actually put it on, for me, it just blends well together and just look like peachy pink brown shade. But I can imagine if you guys have lighter eye color, I feel like the pink would definitely pop up a little bit more for you guys as well. But yeah, I would have to say that of all this, my favorite would definitely be this Lighly Mellow Rora pink, and I'm really tempted to try the rest of the colors as well. And it does say here that it is 1 day 4 tones contact lens. Hope you guys enjoy my review and close up of all of this contact lens. Let me know which one has caught your eyes, or if you guys have tried the brand Lenstown or even tried this website. But I am keen on trying more contact lens from them. I did write down a few that I want to check out, so I'll put pictures for you guys to see as well. So I'm keen on trying the Lenstown Pastel, the Lenstown Lily, Idol lens as well, because I've never tried Idol lens before. So I'm tempted to try their Desire Ocean Blue and Amber Grey because they look really unique as well. But yeah, let me know if there's any other contact lens you guys want me to try from that website. I'll do my best to get them for you guys to try out. So yeah, I will see you guys on my next video. Bye guys.